Hi everyone, today is February 5th, 2024, and we are going to discuss some stocks which are good for trading today. So, before you take any positions, I now read the disclaimer. These are not buy or sell recommendations. These are just my observations based on the charts. So, I've been done enough fundamental research for these stocks. It is just purely based on the chart. I am actually discuss about 10 stocks here. The first one is MCX. So we all know that this exchange has is a monopoly in India. So all the commodity trading happens here only. I mean, like we do have few exchanges which do not have more than 5% of the market share. So this is a monopoly. It is not yet profitable, but the chart says, after a squeeze, we now have a steady upward momentum. It may hold on for a few days. And it is a F&O stocks, meaning that, it doesn't have a circuit filter. So you can trade based on your observations intraday. And if you look at the 5-minute charts, there also it can have periods of consolidation before spikes either way. So it is like, so when you say some stocks are good for intraday trading, which also means that there are a lot of liquidity. So a lot of volume is happening in this counter, and in the last few hours of the last session, it was not trading in a specific range. It was going up and down. Like there was a lot of fluctuate volatility seen. So yeah, you can actually look out for the opening, stay, and when there is a opening range breakout, then you can consider going long. And if it breaks down, you can have a stop loss. I would advise that going short is not advisable, at least when the markets are every day going up. So I mean, this is one stock. The next one is Gallant, a small cap company. So if you look at the daily chart, again there was a lot of squeeze, and then there was a breakout on. Again, it can have a few days of spikes, but be careful not to carry too much positions overnight. And we have BPCL, our favorites for all the three oil majors. You can try BPCL, Hind Petro, or Indian Oil Corporation. They all have the same chart patterns. Now, after a period of consolidation, again we had a big run up on Friday, which may continue for 1 or 2 days. So you can consider BPCL, Hind Petro, and IOC as well. So Hercules Hoist is one stock. Like I don't know, like if it can go like, today, but you can keep it on the watch list because if you look at the movement, it breaks out, then it consolidates, then 1 day of spike and consolidation, another day of spike, and so many days of consolidation before it, breaks out. So you can't expect, you have to be extremely patient with this stock. It can actually test your patience. It can go on squeeze, go into squeeze. Every now and then, if you look at the squeeze, you can see the lot of red dots every now and then. So that's something you have to look out for in Hercules Hoist. And then we have GMR Airports. Yeah, this is extremely good company, like fundamentally as well. So they actually have they just own a lot of airports in India, the most important ones. So if you look at the earnings, yeah, they aren't profitable yet, but they do have a lot of assets, and when they turn profitable, the stock really can skyrocket. So, and based on the observation, every time it falls, it holds on the 50-day moving average, and it is coming back strong. So this can be, this again is a F&O stock, meaning that it doesn't have a circuit filter, so it can hold even for a few more days if it doesn't work out. And there is India Glycol. Oh, it is at a very critical point. So this is very critical level. So many times it hits this area and comes back. Now, so as we now know, every time a region acts as a specific area acts as a resistance, and the stock hits and comes back again. as the stock comes back, 3-4 times to the same area, the resistance actually becomes weaker. It doesn't hold the same strength as the previous time. So we had a resistance there, like the stock went up and it actually pulled back. Now again it is going to that area, and this time around it is near a critical price level of 1,000. So this can actually be considered. And we will come back tomorrow and take a look at these stocks and how they perform today. And there is this NHPC. The first time it hits 100. So we have seen this happening on multi-year highs in some of the stocks recently, like PNB. So 110 is very much possible. Again, you have to be very cautious to wind up positions as soon as they don't hold on to the levels. This happened in HFCN. It went on to 105, did not hold that and came back. And another major breakout we have seen is KITEX. KITEX has never given such a big bar like for so many years now. Okay, so we can actually consider this, given that we have Gokal Das exports and other government exporters have multiplied at least 10 times in the last 3-4 years. KITEX has been like subdued. There was not much price action, so you can really consider KITEX either for today or, but it can have a pullback. So entry has to be made very cautiously, because as soon as you enter, the stock might lose, give up 5-6% very easily. And then SPIC, yeah, it's near 100 again. Multi-year high. It broke the critical resistance, which is this one. Yeah, this can really go up. Yeah, 110 is very much possible. Again, yeah, let's spread your risk. We have 10 stocks at least here in this list. So just keep your spread your bets, so that would be better. And we have WELSPUN investment. Actually, I wanted to try WELSPUN Enterprises, not WELSPUN Investments. WELSPUN Enterprises. Actually, this is the one we should actually be looking at. Okay. Yeah. I'll remove WELSPUN Investment, and yeah, this is the 10th stock. So yeah, it's a near all-time high. And again, we had a bit of consolidation here. And again, this is a garment exporter, and it can actually go up to like 20-30% if it, because it is coming out of consolidation. So yeah, this can be considered for a few days or to few weeks. Yeah. So these are the 10 stocks which you can consider, and we will take a look at these stocks, how they perform, so in the tomorrow video. And yeah, every day we'll try to publish the 10 stocks which could actually, see a lot of action on that particular day. So yeah, we'll meet tomorrow and track the performance of these stocks. Thank you very much. See you in another video.